The world outside is a canvas of white and grey. Snow falls in silence, blanketing the landscape. Inside, a family huddles together as the lights flicker and then go out. The hum of appliances fades and the warmth from the vents disappears. A winter blackout has begun. The cold creeps in, turning their home from sanctuary to challenge. Now, survival depends not on technology, but on knowledge. This isn't a movie. This is reality for millions every winter. Our lives revolve around electricity, and when it's gone, we're vulnerable. The very walls meant to protect us can become cold traps. But understanding this vulnerability is the first step to overcoming it. In this guide, we'll show you how to prepare, adapt, and stay safe. You'll learn to keep warm, find safe heat, nourish your body, and protect your water. This knowledge is as essential as any tool in your kit. It empowers you to face the cold with calm and confidence. The challenge of a winter blackout is a test of resourcefulness and resilience. Let's begin the journey to turn fear into strength. Our world runs on a vast network of wires, the electrical grid. It feels constant and reliable, but it's surprisingly fragile. Ice storms and fierce winds can snap lines and topple towers, plunging entire regions into darkness. Every winter, millions lose power for days or weeks. When the grid fails, our homes can quickly become liabilities. We must see our homes as shelters that can function without electricity. This guide offers clear, simple steps to keep you safe and warm. Forget expensive gadgets. Focus on timeless survival principles. Knowledge and preparation are your real power when the lights go out. Learn how cold moves, how it affects you, and how to counter it. These skills, known to our ancestors, build resilience for any winter. By reconnecting with this knowledge, you ensure your well-being, no matter what the storm brings. When the power fails, your first move is crucial. Shrink your world. Choose one small, well-insulated room, preferably with few windows. Seal windows with blankets or plastic, taping edges for an airtight barrier. Block door drafts with rolled towels or blankets. You're creating a fortress against the cold. Take it further. Set up a tent inside your sealed room. A tent traps body heat, creating a microclimate. Have everyone sleep inside. Combined warmth can raise the temperature significantly. Remember, one room, sealed tight, with a tent inside. This layered approach turns your home into a warm nest. Don't waste energy trying to heat the whole house. Focus your efforts where they matter most. With these steps, you control your environment. You've built a safe, warm core for your family. Wait out the storm in comfort, using your most reliable heat source, yourselves. Your body is a furnace. Feed it well to stay warm. During a blackout, focus on high-calorie, high-fat and high-protein foods. Nuts, dried fruit, peanut butter, energy bars and cheese are perfect. No cooking required. Complex carbs like oats provide steady energy and warmth. If you can heat water, a hot meal or drink boosts your core temperature and morale. Stay hydrated. Sip warm, non-caffeinated drinks like herbal tea or hot water. Avoid alcohol and caffeine. They can worsen heat loss. Plan meals to maximize warmth and energy. Keep a stash of no-cook, calorie-dense foods ready. A well-fed body is a warm body. Nutrition is a key part of your survival plan. Don't underestimate the power of food in the cold. Your clothing is your portable shelter. Layer up to trap warmth. Wear multiple loose-fitting layers to create insulating air pockets. Start with a moisture-wicking base layer, wool or synthetics, never cotton. Add thick, insulating middle layers like fleece or down. Keep layers loose to avoid compressing insulation and restricting blood flow. Protect your extremities. Wear a warm hat, thick wool socks, and gloves or mittens. Mittens are warmer than gloves. Fingers share heat. Adjust layers as needed to avoid sweating. Dryness is crucial. Wet clothing steals heat. Pay special attention to your head, hands and feet. Smart layering keeps you comfortable and safe. Dress like an onion. Add or remove layers as needed. Your clothing is your first line of defense against the cold. Sometimes you'll need extra warmth. Do it safely. Never use gas stoves, ovens or grills indoors. Carbon monoxide is deadly. Group candles together on a fireproof surface for gentle heat. Never leave them unattended. Hot water bottles are safe and effective. Fill them if you can heat water, and tuck them into sleeping bags. If using an indoor safe propane or kerosene heater, follow instructions exactly. Always provide ventilation. Crack a window and use a battery-powered carbon monoxide detector. Safety is your top priority. Even small heat sources can make a big difference in a sealed space. Focus on safe, manageable methods. Never risk fire or poisoning for a little extra warmth. Use caution and common sense with every heat source. Don't forget water. Frozen pipes can burst and cause disaster. As soon as the power goes out, turn every faucet to a slow drip to prevent freezing. Fill every container, bathtub and sink with water while it's still running. Store as much as possible for drinking, cooking and hygiene. A full bathtub can flush toilets and provide washing water. If taps stop, use water from your hot water tank or toilet tank, not the bowl. Turn off the tank's power before draining. Secure your water supply early. Don't wait until it's gone. Protecting pipes and storing water is vital. Act fast to avoid bigger problems later. Watch for hypothermia, when your body loses heat faster than it can produce it. Early signs: intense shivering, cold skin, tiredness, clumsiness. If shivering stops, confusion and slurred speech follow. This is dangerous. Move the person to warmth, remove wet clothes and add dry layers. Offer warm, non-alcoholic drinks if they're alert. Warm the core, chest, neck, head first. Use body-to-body contact under blankets if needed. Don't warm arms and legs first. It can be risky. Act quickly and calmly. Seek medical help if the condition is severe or the person loses consciousness. The sun rises on a world transformed. The family emerges, tired but safe. They survived not with gadgets, but with preparation and cooperation. The greatest survival tool is knowledge. put it into practice before the storm hits. Build a blackout kit. Blankets, first aid, radio, flashlights, batteries, food and water. Practice your plan with your family. Share these skills with neighbours, especially those who are vulnerable. A prepared community is a resilient one. Help others and you strengthen everyone. Resilience is about mindset, self-reliance and respect for nature. Providing warmth and safety with your own hands is empowering. Even when the lights go out, knowledge lights the way. Prepare, learn and share. Be ready.